Okay, the brand PetFort sent this little decorative fence for us, and this is really great. So I've got 3 little Maltese dogs, and every fall and winter when I plant my pansies in here, they will jump up on here and eat all my flowers. So now I will be able to plant pansies. They go together very easily. It's got the little hooks, and you're just going to connect them like that and then drive the pin down in. So it was really easy. I can do it by myself. You can see how cute it is, how easy it goes together. And this fence also comes with a packet of these S-hooks, and they are really practical. Not only can I use them to hang decorations or tools in the garden, I can also use them in the bedroom and in the kitchen for organizing things. For example, I have a towel bar at the end of my kitchen island, and then I can hang little spoons on them or little towels, things like that. Or just like this in the closet. This is my coat closet, and you can just hang up guest coats, things like that, even towels, wherever you need to. So they're really handy.